how to make each letter a different color on Canva. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, and today I'll guide you on how you can make each letter from a word different in Canva. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. First things first, what you can do is you can simply head into canva.com and then you can open up the project that you are working on that you wish to edit the color of your letters on, right? Once you're here, if you have typed in the text, first you want to go ahead and type in the text, right? Like I have done so here on the screen. Once you have typed in your text, simply tap on the text and then double tap on it. If you are on the PC, it'll be easy for you, but if you are on the phone as well, the process is simple. What you want to do is you want to tap and hold on the text, right? Once you are on the text editing page, so you can tap and hold and it'll select a whole word. Now next thing you want to do is you want to select the word that you would like to edit the color of, so only the particular words. For instance, if I want to change this R color, you can see it's in white first, and once you have selected it, you'll find the color panel. In your phone, you'll find it at the bottom. You can see A and you can see the color tab there, which means I'll be able to change the color. In your PC, you'll find it at the top of your screen. You want to tap on it and then you want to tap on this little edit icon, this here, tap on it, and then you can switch the color that you wish to. So if you want to set it to green, I'll set it to green here. The process is similar on your desktop or laptop as well. Then you can cross this and this will be saved. So if you release it, you can see here the color will be changed. So you can do this for every other letters as well. So this is how you can make each letter a different color in Canva. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.